Hello students, welcome to engineering assignments. In engineering assignments, we are going to deal with a subject called as disaster management. And in the disaster management, next we are going to study about relief. Relief, it is defined as a provision of assistance or interventions during or immediately after disaster. It's basically used for meeting the life preservation and the basic needs of the people affected. In simple words, we can say that relief is a disaster management process that provides timely essential needs such as basic household items, shelter for the people, food and water, as well as sanitization and healthcare items. So relief can be divided into three categories. One is immediate relief, second one short time relief, next one is relief for a protracted duration, or you can say that it is a long time relief. Immediate relief is carried out just or at once the disaster happens, and short time relief is carried out for a week, and long time relief or protracted relief lasts for some months and all. Moreover, relief activity provides goods and services to the disaster affected population. This can be in the form of supplies, vouchers, or cash transfer for those population to cover their essential needs. At certain occasions, the money will not have any value, but certain articles such as food, cloth and medicine etc. will be more important. Do you remember when the flood affected Kerala? People were running for the food, cloth and medicine. So at that time, the relief should provide certain articles for the people who are affected. Next, I am listing out some disaster which requires relief. It includes fire, flood, lightning, earthquake, landslides, glaciers, droughts, epidemics, excessive rain and hailstorms, etc. Other issues that may also require disaster relief is that first one, accidents like motor vehicle accidents, boat mishap, food poisoning, non-explosive burst and snake bite. And the relief is globally guided by the fundamental principles of disaster organization and NGOs. Now, the project management cycle PCM is linked to relief. PCM is actually a conceptual tool used for the planning and management of the program and project, leading to the improvement of the program and effectiveness and outcome. PCM actually consists of five components. You can see in the picture there is five components which is involved. First one is assessment, next is planning and design, third one implementation, fourth one monitoring and fifth one review and evaluation. The first one, assessment. Assessment is a parameter which is used to know the intensity or how much damage the disaster has caused. The assessment can be divided into four categories, that is immediate, rapid, detailed and continual assessment. Immediate assessment is carried out within 72 hours after the disaster has happened, and the rapid assessment takes a week. Detailed assessment is conducted after the rapid and immediate assessment for getting further information about the need of the affected population. Next is continual assessment. After the detailed assessment is done, the relief program starts, and this program should be monitored continuously and updated. Next is planning and designing. So whatever assessment we have made, from that you have to plan the activity that must be carried out to achieve the desired result. It actually involves beneficiary identification and beneficiary targeting. Next is monitoring. Monitoring is actually the process of evaluation to measure to what extent the objective has been accomplished, and this must be a continuous process. After monitoring, the final review and evaluation can be provided, which will have some recommendation for any adaptation and changes. Next is about relief organizations that are available locally and internationally. In local front, we have government organization like National Disaster Management Organization, NADMO. NADMO is structured under the Ministry of Interior. NADMO coordinates all the relevant civil authorities at the national, regional and district level. Moreover, the security agencies such as police, armed forces, navy, air force and National Fire Service also plays a very important role in disaster response in the country. They are mostly responsible for all the security issues in the disaster response. In addition to NATMO, there are some other governmental organizations such as National Ambulance Service, which provides a health emergency services. There also exists non-governmental organizations like NGOs and civil society groups that respond immediately on the area of the impact. And there also exist other para-governmental organizations such as the Ghana Red Cross Society, which provides both health and relief services during disaster. Now, on the international front, there are many organizations which provides relief response, namely Action Against Hunger, CARE, Caritas International, Catholic Relief Services, Emergency Nutrition Network, Doctors Without Borders, Food for the Hunger International, Food for the Hungry, Hunger Plus Interaction, International Committee of the Red Cross, International Federation of the Red Cross, and Red Crescent Society. Like this, there are so many international relief response organizations are there for providing relief and response. So that's all about the disaster relief. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video.